Jobs as we know them are over. But work? Work is only just beginning. In fact, we're going to work more now than we have in the last 100, 200, 300 years. Across every industry, AI and automation are rewriting the rules. The question isn't whether machines will take over, it's how humans and AI can create a new advantage together. I call this HUMAND. Humans and machines and artificial intelligence collaborating, working together to get stuff done, to make sure tasks are completed. The future belongs to leaders who choose forward, who see beyond job titles and focus on skills, creativity, and human potential. At Immediate Futures, I don't predict, I prepare. I help leaders sense change, balance human and machine and artificial intelligence and everything else that's happening in the world, the ecosystem, the economy, the ecology, politics. We look at it broadly to understand the landscape of tomorrow and then position ourselves in an inhabitable future, the place that we want to get to, and then reverse engineer back from that through the ripple effects, right back to immediate futures. Things that we do right now that lead us towards that North Star, the inhabitable future of where we want to be. Because the future isn't distant, it's immediate. Choose forward.